Hi, my name's Cliff, Cliff's Custom Floors. Decades ago, a lot of my thinking changed about floor prep and houses and buildings like this, especially with concrete. There was a seminar put on by Ray Thompson. He's kind of like the flooring guru guy. I sat through a few of his classes on concrete and moisture and how slabs move, and that revolutionized my brain about thinking about a floor as being absolute solid, never moving. It's not going anywhere. Shoot, that was probably 30 years ago I sat in that class. It really just revolutionized my brain about paying attention to all the dynamics around us are always changing. So that's why it's important to pay attention to what we can pay attention to. Taking classes from multiple companies, not just self-leveling, but how to moisture mitigation. It was probably a couple decades ago I took the class for Ardex, and theirs was pretty complicated. Shot blast the floor and do an epoxy and spread sand and then do all those things. There's a lot of things out there now that are simpler than that, but sometimes it has to go to that. But I think it's constantly about learning, paying attention to what's on the market to remedy the problems we have. So yeah, between understanding how a floor works, whether it's a cement floor, a slab, or even on a wood floor, the big difference of how framing's done, what deflection is, any of those things, and the moisture really always comes into play. Tighter and tighter buildings, but yeah, there's a lot of information, and I love that videos put out by Wagner about how we can figure this stuff out. I can go a lot of different manufacturers. We have so much information at our hands, and it just takes the time to sit down and pay attention, read the instructions, and read the instructions.